Alright, Travel Junkies, special announcement this week. There's going to be no vlog this week because we are moving. We are leaving our current location. Secret. It's a secret location. We're leaving our current location and we are moving to South Korea. We're going back to South Korea. We're going to be teaching back there. So don't worry, the regular vlogs will return next week. We're still moving through Southeast Asia. So you're going to get loads of tips about moving through Southeast Asia. Vietnam, there's a whole series of Vietnam coming out. Philippines, Singapore, and then, if you've caught it already, there will be a serialized vlog of our trip up Kilimanjaro. Very exciting. I'm sure you'll enjoy that. So, join us next week, and I'll see you groovy cats next time. Okay, Travel Junkies, if you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest travel vlogs, drone shots and adventure movies. You can catch the latest episode here and you can subscribe here. If you have any questions about the places visited in the vlog, the equipment used or anything to do with traveling in general, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you groovy cats next time.